Ice fishing. Here are the things you need to bring.
Tiger trout. Okay, so ayan, yung ating slid, auger, tent, ating heater, ating tank, propane tank, jackets, ayan, tackle, kailangan natin ng shovel, mga boats, enter pants, baon, syempre kailangan meron tayong baon. Dali natin itong camping chair, cooler, lagayan natin ng fish kung may mahuli tayo, syempre tripod. So, ito yung ating fishing stuff. Meron tayong 4 na rod. Pag winter, allowed tayo ng 2.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.